How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my intro into John from the mighty JJK models. This is going to be our buddy build. Alright, before I get this started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel if it wasn't for y'all. Appreciate you. Love you. And this channel will never ask you for a dime. Don't need no support to grow, guys. All I ever ask for is if I mention anybody in our modeling community or our YouTube community, period, I will always leave a link in the description below, as well as my info to get a hold of my email in the description below. All I ask, you go over there and give them a like, a share, a sub. That's it, guys. Check them out. Support them. All right, let's get this video going. All right, first of all, I want to thank John. This is John's shop card. He has one heck of a channel, and he's going to have to update this shop card, John. You need to get them awesome motorcycles you've been building on here. My God, that is a motorcycle building guru. I mean, I love to build the motorcycles, but man, he absolutely loves them. He can knock them out quick too. He's awesome. Now, I'm sure these buddy builds right here on these airplanes will take a little bit longer than those motorcycles, but we're gonna have fun. And John, he sent me this plane. I won it in his little drawing, and he wanted me to do a buddy build with him. And I said, why, yes, I sure will. I'd be honored to do a buddy build with you. And two, I just want y'all for sure to go check him out and go give him a like, a sub, a share, you know, the whole deal. He is a great guy and a great builder. Let me tell you, he can build anything. Cars, planes, ships, tanks. I mean, well, I don't see a tank, but He is great. Motorcycles, my God, motorcycles are amazing. His motorcycles are to die for. Well, his cars are too. All his builds are. I mean, they're just awesome. All right, well, here's what we are going to be building. We're going to be building the identical same kit, MPC. Only difference is the box art. Now, of course, we'll build different paint schemes, I'm sure. But this is what we're going to be building. This is a PBY Catalina, 1/72 scale, MPC. You can see the side box art right there. Very, very nice, guys. You can read that. I'll keep it there long enough if you want to pause and read it out. Look at there. Let's open this bad boy up. Put that over to the side. Here is the instructions, or as Charlie Mack would say, destructions. There is step one right there, fuselage and engines, or engine. It says it, well, it'd be more than one engine. It'd be engines, not just engine. But I'll let you look at it right there, see all the steps. It's got the gunners, the pilots, co-pilot. It's going to be a fun little build, let me tell you. Instrument panel to cut out right there. Here is step 2. Wing assembly and landing gear. Get that out there so y'all can see that. Pause and look at it if you want. And there is step 3, painting the outside. All right, let's get this moved over to the side. He sent me this decals, just showing, you know, different decals and stuff here from Starfighter Decals by Marks Models and Toys. So that was in there. Then he sent me this right here. And then he sent me these decals, because I think he said the decals in this aren't very good and these would be better. So this is what I'll be doing right here. Awesome decals. You can see those are very good decals right there. Here is the, you can see it's never been built. There's the whole side of the plane. Now, I'm not much of a plane builder, guys, so y'all's going to have to bear with me. I'm going to tell you right now, there's going to be a lot of brush painting, and there might still be some seams, because I'm not no professional plane builder. I'll try to do my best, guys. Like I said, I don't normally build planes, but man, I thought it would be something out of my comfort zone to try another plane. I built one years ago, the Red Baron plane, as y'all remember. And I got a lot of rivet counter, bolt counters, whatever you want to call them. Tell me I did this wrong, I did that. But you know what, guys? I don't care. This is all fun for me, man. It's not serious. And if you're one of them guys, good for you. You know, whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat, guys. But that's not me. That's not how I roll. I build it to where it's good enough to put on my shelf. I don't care. Show y'all all the parts here. I can't name everything because I'm not a plane guy, so I'm not even going to try. So I'm just going to show y'all the parts. Yeah, that's going to be a fun build. Like I said, not a plane guy, so I'm going to have to figure out all this stuff. So, needless to say, John, you might knock yours out pretty quick, but mine, it won't be quick. And that's a lot of parts, too. This 1/72nd scale, but man, this thing's huge and a lot of parts, and it's awesome. Like I said, no experience really building model airplanes, but I'm going to give it my try. Like I said, there might be a lot of brush painting going on. I don't airbrush no more. I give my airbrush to my son, and I'm just going to do what I do, guys. But you can see all the parts. There's a couple loose parts down in there I'm not going to get out, guys. Here is more loose parts that I'm not going to get out of the bag. And here's some clear parts. I don't know if you can really see those good or not. But I don't want to get those out of the bag either, because, you know, clear parts, you just don't want them all beat up. And hey, that's cool. Look at that. That's where the propellers, if you want to display it like the propellers are moving. Oh, that's a cool idea right there. Put a little shade in there a little bit, and I don't know. Of course, I'm wishful thinking, guys. I'm not a model airplane builder, so I'd probably screw it up. But yeah, there you go. Let me get this back out here. Thank you, John. I appreciate you, man. I really, really do. And I'm going to enjoy this, buddy, build. It's something out of my realm. Something I normally don't do. And mine won't look as good as yours, but buddy, I'll sure be proud of it when I get done with it. I'll display it proudly. I'll put it over here in my glass cabinet, and every time I look at it, I'll think of our buddy build. Appreciate you, brother. Bye.